Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Sunday, the 7th of April. Starting off with Dogecoin, which seems to be firming up quite well at the moment. You can see that we were in this rising trend channel, the black channel there, heading up towards the 20 cents level. End of day close or a weekly close above 20 cents, so we could be ending up at 27 cents perhaps as soon as the end of this month. The positives here, the way that the markets bounced above a rising 50-day line, and the second time much higher than the 50-day line, suggests a trend change or an acceleration in the trend, and hence we're looking for 27 cents. On the downside, end of day close back below the 50-day line at 15 cents would delay, obviously, the potential upside. On to a crypto which has really outshone many of the others at the moment, but protocol, and here you can see that we hit our initial target there, the red rising trend channel around $1.20, and had a rather high looking channel there, with the wide channel there from back in February last year. That channel is heading with its resistance line projection as high as $2.25, and we're looking for that to happen hopefully sometime this month, especially while we remain on the right side of the $2 area on an end of day close basis. Less fireworks for the next market, but you never know, it might pick up too. Here we've got Dion protocol, and here, as we said, it has done rather well. We hit our previous target there around 1 cent, and we're looking for that resistance line projection there from back in February. That's heading towards the 2.15 cents area, and we're looking for that to happen hopefully this side of the 1st of May. Ideally, we stay above recent support for this market around the 1.3 cents level. A welcome return for the next crypto, and here you can see that Elastos is still trying to get the big move to the upside. We already had a spike just a few days ago. Hopefully we'll have another go now. The positive here is the way that we are basically bouncing at and just above the 50-day moving average there at $3.90. Above that, we're looking for up to $8 as soon as the end of next month. Ideally looking for the kind of spike we had back in December to repeat itself. On to another market which we covered quite recently, and looks like it's going well. I've got Krill. Here we hit the top of that rising trend channel from the latter part of last year, back in October. The key level here, $1.19, and above that on an end of day close basis, looking for $1.60 to be retested. That was obviously the resistance late last month, and hoping that you remain on the right side of the 0.85 to 0.9 area, so 85 to 90 cents area, ahead of a break of that $1.20 zone to take us up to $1.60. The next market, not one we normally look at, but maybe a new one for the future. Here we've got Mango in a sort of a W-shaped reversal, bouncing off the rising 50-day line, and hopefully we can clear the recent sticky resistance around 2.5 cents to take us up to as high as 4 cents by the end of next month. Obviously, this market has been in a range between 1.5 and 3 cents for most of the last few months. Moving on to another potential riser, I suppose, potential greater riser rather than NKN. Here we've got this rising trend channel from back in October, as many of these markets have, and the top of the channel they're heading for 25 cents. Looking for that over the next week or two, the longer we stay above the 20 cents area, 19 cents, I suppose, the recent resistance for this particular market. Next on the list is Orbit Chain, and here I suppose it's a bit unusual compared to the other markets we're looking at. We're hoping for a higher low in place here around the 0.8 of a cent, and for a progress to be made up to the 1.8 cents area, hopefully later on in April. Decent reaction after that failed spike there towards 2 cents that we had at the end of last month. Hopefully with a higher low in place, we may see some better action there at Orbit Chain. Next up is one of our regulars, and here you can see why in the form of Propy. Beautiful progression to the upside. The original target here around $2. We're now finding that old target has become new support, and above that looking for up to $3.50, hopefully by the end of next month or even sooner. Ideally it should be by the end of this month, but always good to see an extension of our target or a raising target over the near term. Moving along to another winner in terms of having hit our previous target. Here we had a rising trend channel from back in October. The old target there around $4.70. Above that we can add a parallel target there, a parallel resistance line heading for $7.40, and hopefully we'll get that by the end of this month. See that this market rising as I speak, which is always a decent sign. On to a situation which hopefully will echo what we're seeing in the last situation. Here we had a rising trend channel at Syntropy. The market now trying to push through that area around the 29 cents area. If we can get an end of day close through that over the next week or two, then there could be a new leg up towards 42 cents, ideally by the end of this month. But the key here is staying on the right side of 20 cents, given that that is the floor of the original black channel there, the rising channel that we've had. Next up is one of today's big rises in the form of Throne, and here there's obviously we're near the bottom and hoping that we'll actually turn up, but potential rising trend channel base. The key here is to break the half a cent area or 0.6% area, that resistance line there from back in March. If we can do that, we could be up towards the 1.2 cents area, i.e. we could even see this market double over the next 2 to 4 weeks on a snapback, which you can get when a market overshoots. That's it for me today. More updates during the week.